Hi guys, let's see how to use Taskkill to kill a task from command prompt. So just search command prompt in the Windows 11 search box, right click and click on run as administrator. Now type taskless, hit enter, and all the tasks which are running in your computer will be listed here. Now let's say I want to end this task vlc.exe. So the command which I will write will be, I will write taskkill /pid and just note down the ID 7072 and /f. okay, /f. So the program will be this, just the process ID of that particular task you have to put here. In my case, process ID is 7072, so I'm putting it here. I have given this command also in the description of this video. Now see, you can see this VLC is already running on my computer, and when I will hit enter, this VLC program will be killed. Okay, just hit enter and that that task has been terminated. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us.